Blow out. To extinguish a flame by blowing air on it. She blew out the candle on the birthday cake. Blow up. To fill something with air like a balloon. We are blowing up balloons for the birthday party. Blow up. To explode. The bomb blew up on their boat. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. He chopped up the vegetables into small pieces. Close down. To shut a place permanently or for a long time, like a shop, school, or company. Many stores closed down in June. Doze off. To fall asleep for a short time without planning to. He is so tired that he has dozed off on the sofa. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something or someone, usually after getting wet. I dried off my face and entered the room. Fall off. To drop down from something like a bike, chair, or wall by accident. I fell off the bike in rain. Flip over. To turn something to the other side quickly or suddenly. The car flipped over on the road. Give away. To give something to someone for free without asking for money. He gave away all his old clothes to charity. Go off. To explode or make a loud noise, used for alarms, bombs, fireworks, etc. Did the alarm clock go off at the morning? Hang out. To spend time with someone in a relaxed way. Let's hang out with him tonight by the pool. Knock down. To demolish or destroy a building or structure. We knocked down the old theatre to make new one. Knock down. To hit someone or something and make them fall to the ground. The man knocked down him with one punch. Note down. To write something so you don't forget it later. I forgot to note down his phone number. Pass out. To faint or become unconscious suddenly. He passed out on the road. Read out. To read something aloud so that others can hear. I read out this book yesterday. Rub out. To erase or remove something like pencil marks or writing. She is rubbing out the drawings on the board. Talk back. To answer someone rudely or disrespectfully. Don't talk back to your mother again, it's disrespectful. Try on. To put clothes or things on your body to see if they fit or look nice. She is trying on the shoes before buying them. Turn around. To change direction and face the opposite way. He turned around and smiled at me. Walk off. To leave a place suddenly, often because you are angry or upset. I walked off with frustration in the middle of a talk. Wipe off. To clean or remove something like dust, dirt, or liquid using a cloth, tissue, or hand. She wiped off the table with a cloth.